faray iyo kala dheer sidaada fashay sida aan ku mooyo kala duwan sidaad tahay sida aan ku faray iyo kala dheer.
Alaikum my beautiful people, soo dhawaada walaashin Faadimo waaye and welcome to our channel. Maanta waxaa marti noo ah meeshaan ku marti qaadnaysa u jeedin Naima. Naima kusoo dhawaada channelkayga.
Thank you. So, hey guys, my name is Naima and I'm her young sister. And the reason why I'm here today is because they wanted me to tell you guys about the previous videos and how they were all posted in Somali and not in English. So I know a lot of the audience here speak mostly English. So we just wanted to let you guys know that from now on we'll be posting all the videos with English subtitles, and that also means we'll also be adding some English things to the videos. But the reason why we didn't actually do them in English is because our content is mostly on Somali things, so I hope that you guys can understand that. So yeah, that's all we just want you guys to know. So if there is anything specific that you would like to see on this channel, then please feel free to comment down below and just ask us the request. We are definitely reading as much comments as possible, so don't hesitate. Also like this video and the previous videos too for my sake, and just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to stay tuned with all the upcoming videos. So
thank you very much guys, aad baa mahadsantiin kusoo dhawaada. Maadaama dad badan oo ajnabi ah channelka ku jiraan luqadda Soomaaliga si fiican u ka seenin, insha Allah wax idinkana waa idin soo soconaa. Fadlan movie waxaa soo gelinay part 4, waxaa rajaynaynaa ka heli doontiin ku yaaca daawada, subscribe, commentiga, like ya gambaleelka hala iloobin hala furto. Aad baa mahadsantihiin. Klibka yar waxaa looga soo duubay special dadka English ku hadlayo, and my Somali people aad baa mahadsantihiin. Thank you all my friends, waa idin jeclahay, we love you. waxaa idin leenahay Eid Mubarak, hala iidaysto. Wassalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatu.